Engineers Career Group is the leading institute providing ESE, GATE, and SSC-JE coaching.
Welcome to Engineers Careers Group's GATE online crash course. My name is Vishal Verma and today we are going to discuss what major topics we need to focus upon in soil mechanics for GATE examination. So first of all comes index properties in soil mechanics. Index properties like what are the various properties of soils, origin of soils, and then clay minerals. Index properties like dry density, bulk density, saturated density, void ratio, porosity. These kind of topics comes under index properties. After this comes stress distribution. Stress distribution, like what are the types of stresses? Total stress, effective stress, neutral stress, and then effect of seepage, capillarity. Right. After this comes compaction and consolidation. Compaction and consolidation. Consolidation is a major topic. Like easy questions आते हैं ऑब्जेक्टिव में, लेकिन conceptual बहुत ज़्यादा आते हैं. Statement wise question बहुत ज़्यादा आते हैं, right? उसके बाद आता है CS strength. CS strength of soil, ठीक है? And how it varies according to soil properties, ठीक है? उसमें फिर slope stability आ जाता है. And after finally foundation engineering. Foundation engineering में bearing capacity, shallow foundation, deep foundation. These kind of subtopics comes under foundation engineering. So today we are going to focus upon stress distribution in soil mechanics, like how it varies according to different properties of soil and what are kind of type of stresses in soil, like total stress, effective stress, neutral stress, and what are the effects of seepage and capillarity on stress distribution in soil mechanics, right? So
Subscribe to us now. ECG has joined hands with Neo Stencil to provide online live lectures for ESE, GATE, SSC-JE coaching in Pan India.